Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Some plants remain immersed in water. Special features. A. These plants are fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond with the help of their roots. B. Their stem and leaves remain fully under water. The leaves are very small or ribbon-like to offer little resistance to water currents. C. Stomata are absent. Exchange of gases dissolved in water takes place through the general surface. Example: Hydrilla, Vallisneria, that is tape grass.